in New Jersey, Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex, Eastern Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, Northern Westchester, Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk. Wind advisory remains in effect from 9 a.m. this morning to 6 p.m. this evening. High wind warning in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Friday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a high wind warning, which is in effect from 6 p.m. this evening to 6 a.m. Friday. Winds, northwest 20 to 30 miles per hour. Gusts up to 50 miles per hour today and up to 60 miles per hour tonight. Timing: highest wind potential happens tonight. Impacts: damaging winds may blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. A high wind warning means a hazardous high wind event is expected or occurring. Sustained wind speeds of at least 40 miles per hour or gusts of 58 miles per hour or more can lead to property damage. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour or gusts of 46 to 57 miles per hour are expected or occurring. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution.